Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Hopefully you all are doing great and learning English in a great way. This is Porosh Sarkar today. I make English video to improve myself. Also, I want to inspire people. As a result, every day I try to make English content. And as part of my routine duty, today I am also going to make another English content for my YouTube channel, also for my Facebook page. And today's video is going to be super duper special because I am with two lovely persons. One is my niece and another one is my nephew. So in this video I am going to learn English in a fun way with them. So this is going to be an interesting video and hopefully you will enjoy this video. So now it's time to ask some questions to my niece and hopefully she will give me answer. So first of all, Mama, how are you today?
I am fine.
You are fine? That sounds really good. Okay, so Mama, what's your name?
My name is Anindita Bishash.
And how old are you?
I am 9 years old.
You are 9 years old. And which class do you read in?
I am in class 4.
You are in class 4. That's really great. And what's your village name?
My village name is Bashaura.
Bashaura. That's really great. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Okay, it's also my favorite. Well, we have some common things. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now we are sitting on the street. Actually, if you look around me, it's completely fascinating. We are really enjoying our time. Actually, my niece, she was little bit nervous before starting this video, but I told her that Mama, is nothing will happen if you make any mistakes, and after that she agreed with me, and that's why now we are in front of the camera. Okay, but this is her first video, that's why she is feeling nervousness, but I hope she will be able to overcome her nervousness. So Mama, what's your father's name and what's your mother's name?
My father name is Omol Bishash and mother name is Nilu Bishash.
Okay, that's great. And do you like going to school?
Yes, I like going go to school.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, so how many friends do you have, Mama?
My 2 friends.
You have 2 friends. Okay, that's really great. And do you have any best friend?
My best friend is Shana.
Shana. Okay, that's really great. And what's your school name?
My school name is Tunong Amtul Goff Primary School.
Okay, and what you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor in the future.
Okay, that's really impressive. She wants to be a doctor in the future. Well, it's a big dream and I wish her all the best so that she can reach at her goals and one day she will make us happy and proud. I am pretty sure about it. And also we have another special kid here, my nephew. What's your name, Mama? What's your name? Tomar naam ki?
Aditya Bishash.
Okay, your name is Aditya Bishash. তোমার এখানে এসে কেমন লাগছে বলো?
ভালো লাগছে।
ভালো লাগছে? আর আমার সম্পর্কে কিছু বলো, মামার সম্পর্কে কিছু বলো। আমার সাথে থাকতে তোমার কেমন লাগে?
ভালো লাগে।
ভালো লাগে?
হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা। ওকে, আমি গেলে তুমি কষ্ট পাইবা তোমাদের বাসা থাইকা?
হ্যাঁ।
অনেক কষ্ট পাইবা? কষ্ট পাইবা না? Well, he's laughing at this moment. It's very interesting. Well, but to be honest, this is how we can learn English. She is just 9 years old and he is maybe 5 years old as far as I concerned. But if we want, we can inspire our kids to learn English. English is very important. And if we start our English journey from our early age, it will be helpful for us. English is very important for our job, for our higher education, for every aspects of life. So we need to learn it. And if we inspire our children to learn this language, it will be a great thing. And I always try to inspire people through my content so that we all can learn English and we all can speak in English. It's very essential and it's necessary. So Mama, ওকে, এখন আমরা দুইজনে মিলা একসাথে কিছু বলবো। ওকে, আমি যেটা বলবো তুমি সেটা রিপিট করবা। আর ইউ রেডি? ওকে ওকে, তো বলো, আমি শুরুতে বলবো তারপর তুমি বলবা, ঠিক আছে? Now we are sitting on the street.
Now we are sitting
on the street
street
and we are enjoying our afternoon time. And we are enjoying our beautiful afternoon time. Okay, that's great. And we are trying to learn English because English is very,
very,
very
very
important
important
for our life.
for our life.
That's why
That's why
we will
we will
have to
have to
learn this
learn this
beautiful language.
beautiful language.
Okay, and okay, আবার আরেকটা বলি চলো। I practice English
I practice English
every day
every day
because
because
I like
I like
learning
learning
English.
English.
It's my
It's my
passion,
passion.
and one day
And one day
I will
I will
be able
be able
to speak English
to speak English
fluently
fluently
and
and
effortlessly.
effortlessly.
Okay, so if you want, you can also inspire your niece, your nephew, your younger brother, your elder brother, whatever. I mean, you can just, you need to inspire people to learn this language. But you know, we feel shy, we feel hesitation, we know there are so many hesitation. That's why we are not being able to speak in English. But you know, if we want to learn this language, we will have to practice it every day. And that's why I am trying to inspire them. You know, I have been staying here for last 3 days, and every evening I am trying to help them to learn English. And yeah, it's my responsibility, you know, as I have some experience regarding English language, so I need to share this with them. You know, this is the thing, and that's why it's my duty, and I'm trying to do this, and hopefully you will be able to do this after watching this video. So every day I'm trying to make this kind of videos so that I can help you, I can make your journey a little bit better. Okay, so mama, তোমার এই মামার ইংরেজি নিয়ে কিছু বলার আছে তোমার? বলো। Okay, there is something wrong with my gimbal. Just a second. Well, now it's okay. Okay, মামা বলো। কি বলবা? আমার ইংরেজি সম্পর্কে কিছু বলো, কেমন লাগে তোমার?
এই ইংরেজি আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। মামা অনেক সহজভাবে ইংরেজি বুঝিয়ে দেয়, গণিত বুঝিয়ে দেয়। আমাদের বাড়িতে আইসে অনেক ভালোভাবে আমাকে বুঝিয়ে দিছে, ইংরেজি গণিত সব কিছুই ভালোভাবে বুঝিয়ে দিছে।
আচ্ছা, দারুন। থ্যাংক ইউ মামা, আই এম রিয়েলি রিয়েলি হ্যাপি আফটার হিয়ারিং দিস ওয়ার্ডস। ওকে মামা, তোমার তোমার কিছু বলার আছে আমার সম্পর্কে?
হ্যাঁ।
কি বলবা বলো, বলো। এই যে এদিকে এদিকে বলো, বলো।
আমার খুব ভালো লাগে।
হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। Okay, so thank you so much for watching this watching this video. It's not a short video. I was about to say this. It has been 7 minutes we are recording this video, but truly I am enjoying my time here, and I am really really having a great time with these two lovely persons. And I always try to come in this village again and again, and hopefully after completing my HSC examination I will visit this village again, and I will make another content with them. They are very very happy. Okay, I'm also happy. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Always be powerful, be passionate about learning English. Keep learning, keep shining, and keep going. One day you will reach at your goals. Just believe in yourself and see everything is possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.